Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another food review. We got something from Chick-fil-A. It's brand new. Well, it's my first time having it. It is called the chicken tortilla soup. Black beans, creamy base, salad strips in there. Chick-fil-A. I think this is seasonable. I believe this is only available for a limited time only, so it's off for the holiday season. But yeah, chicken tortilla soup. Got the beans right there. Got a pea of corn, chicken with spices too. So let's give this soup a try. It's a different texture than regular soup. So let's see what it tastes like. It's good. Good spices to it. It's pretty good. Good texture, good flavor to it. It's real good. Will I rate this? I guess a 9 out of 10, man. I like it. It's definitely, it'll warm me up definitely in one of the months. So I'm not sure this is available all year long, but I recommend getting it now because it might not be around forever, but it's really good. I definitely recommend it. I guess a 9 out of 10. And remember, you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and keep watching my videos. Next time, guys,